Doing, I can see one flaw in Carlito's.
And but a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away.
Going to put the finishing touches on this match.
Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster. Because they don't look. Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
The finishing touches on this match.
Ali rolling. RKO! Oh, there it is! Oh my God! No! You gotta be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Ali rolling. RKO! Roman Reigns. Oh, RKO by Orton! Is he gonna deliver? Sweet. Oh, Claymore kick!